Next example, find exponential Fourier series and plot the frequency spectrum for full wave rectified sine wave given in figure. And this is a given waveform. So what is the given waveform? Full wave rectified sine wave. So first calculate the function f of t. First calculate the function f of t from the given waveform. So what is the given waveform? Full wave rectified sine wave. And this is a sinusoidal signal. So what is the sinusoidal signal? Standard representation sine omega t or sine t. Sine t or sine omega t. So from the given waveform, the function f of t is equal to a sine t. And this is standard waveform. Full wave rectified wave is standard waveform. Because of that, the function f of t is a into sine t or a sine of omega t. Where capital A is the amplitude. Now here, what is the amplitude of the sine wave? Capital A. For t is equal to 0 to pi. So for t is equal to 0 to pi is the time period, and every pi seconds same waveform is repeated. For every pi second same waveform is repeated. So we can determine the exponential Fourier series for t is equal to 0 to pi seconds. Now here 0 to pi, this is the waveform. Every pi seconds same waveform is repeated. Because of that, we can determine complex exponential Fourier series between the interval 0 to pi. Between the interval 0 to pi. What is the Fourier series? Fourier series is expansion of a periodic signal. It is a periodic signal. Every capital T second, same signal or same waveform is repeated, then it is called as periodic signal. So now here, this waveform is a periodic signal expansion. Periodic signal waveform. So calculate expansion of the complex exponential Fourier series between 0 to pi. So first calculate the time period capital T. So in this waveform, what is the lower limit? 0, and what is the upper limit? Pi. How to calculate the time period capital T? The time period capital T is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. That is equal pi minus 0 is equal to pi. And after that calculate angular frequency. What is the angular frequency? Omega naught is equal to 2 pi by capital T. Here capital T is equal to pi seconds. That is equal 2 pi by pi is equal to 2 radians per second. So find out complex exponential Fourier series and plot the frequency spectrum. So what is the standard expression of complex exponential Fourier series? So this is the standard expression of complex exponential Fourier series. That is f of t is equal sigma n is equal to minus infinity to infinity fn e power jn omega naught t, where fn is complex exponential Fourier series coefficient. So first calculate complex exponential Fourier series coefficient fn value. So what is the fn value? Fn expression. So omega naught is equal to 2. Omega naught is equal to 2. Substitute here. That is equal n is equal to minus infinity to infinity fn into e power j 2nt. Where fn is equal, the coefficient fn is equal 1 by capital T integral t naught to t naught plus capital T f of t into e power minus jn omega naught t. In this equation, in this example, what is the time period capital T? Capital T is equal pi seconds. And what is the lower limit? 0. And what is the upper limit? Pi. What is the function f of t? Function f of t is equal to a sine t. Applying all the given conditions, all the given values into this equation. So we get fn is equal 1 by pi integral 0 to pi f of t is a sine of t into e power j 2nt. Omega naught is equal to 2. That is equal, a is a constant that is written before integration. A by pi integral 0 to pi sine of t e power minus jn e power minus j 2nt dt. So but we know that Using mathematical basics of mathematics, these are the standard expressions. So what are the standard expression? First one is integral e power ax sin bx dx is equal e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin of bx minus b cos of bx. And second standard expression is integral e power ax cos bx dx is equal e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos of bx plus b sin of bx. So now here, what is the previous integral? Sin of t e power j e power minus jn t dt e power ax sin bx. What is e power ax sin bx? What is integral of e power ax sin bx dx? E power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. So what is the a value? A is equal to minus j 2n. What is the b value? Sin bx, sin of t. This t is written as 1 into t. B is equal to 1. So therefore coefficient fn is equal a by pi integral 0 to pi sin of t, that is 1 into t e power minus j 2nt dt. So applying this condition, this formula into this equation, we get a by 2 pi e power a. What is a value? Minus j 2n t by a square minus j 2n whole square plus b square. B is 1 into a. What is a value? Minus j 2n into sin of bx minus 1 b into cos of bx over 0 to pi. So now applying the limits. A by pi e power minus j 2nt by 1 plus j square 4n square minus j 2n sin t minus cos t. So now applying the limits. Upper value of t is pi and lower value of t is 0. Therefore fn is equal a by pi, upper value is pi. Upper value of t is pi. E power minus j 2n pi by j square value is minus 1. Minus 4n square plus 1 into minus j 2n sin of pi minus cos of pi. That is upper limit. Now substitute lower limit. Minus lower value of t is 0. E power minus j 2n 0 by minus 4n square plus 1 into minus j 2n sin of 0 minus cos of 0. Sin 0 0. Cos 0 is 1. E power minus j 2n 0. E power minus 0 is 1. Cos pi value is minus 1. Sin pi value is 0. Therefore e power minus j 2n pi by 1 minus 4n square. Sin pi is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. Sin 0 is 0. Cos pi value is 1. That is equal a by pi minus into minus plus e power j 2n pi by 1 minus 4n square into 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 4n square zero minus 1. So that is equal 0 minus 1 minus 1. Before minus is there, minus into minus plus resultant equation a by pi, that one. That is equal the different integer values of n e power minus j 2 pi n is equal to 1. Using Euler's identity, e power minus j 2 pi n is written as cos 2 pi n minus j sin of 2 pi n. So So different integer values of n. What are the different integer values of n? N is equal to 0, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, like that. Substitute n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. E power minus j 2 n pi is equal to 1. Cos 2 pi 2 n pi minus j sin 2 n pi. Suppose if n is equal to 0, e power minus 0, 1. If n is equal to 1, for n is equal to 1, e power minus j 2 pi. Cos 2 pi minus j sin 2 pi. What is cos 2 pi value? 1. What is the sin 2 pi value? 0. 1 minus 0. 1. For all values of different values of n, e power minus j 2 pi n is equal to 1. Therefore, a by pi 1 by 1 minus 4, 1 by 1 minus 4 n square plus 1 by 1 minus 4 n square. 1 by 1 minus 4 n square plus 1 by 1 minus 4 n square, 2 by 1 minus 4 n square. So that is the coefficient of Fn. 2a by pi into 1 minus 4 n square. And substitute this Fn value into expression of complex exponential Fourier series. What is the expression of complex exponential Fourier series? F of t is equal sigma n is equal to minus infinity to infinity Fn into e power jn omega naught. And substitute Fn value into that equation. That is the expression of complex exponential Fourier series of given waveform. And after that, draw the spectrum. How to draw the spectrum? How to draw the magnitude spectrum or amplitude spectrum? And this is the coefficient Fn. In this equation, substitute different integer values of n. N is equal to 0, n is equal to plus or minus 1, n is equal to plus or minus 2, n is equal to plus or minus 3, like that. So first substitute n is equal to 0. If n is equal to 0, then f of 0 is equal 2a by pi into 1 minus 4 into 0 square. That is equal 2a by pi. At n is equal to 0, f0 is equal to 2a by pi. Next, n is equal to 1. In this equation, substitute n is equal to 1. 2a by pi into 1 minus 4 into 1 square. So 2a by 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2a by 3 pi. Next, substitute n is equal to minus 1 in this equation. We get f minus 1 is equal to 2a by pi into 1 minus 4 minus 1 square minus 2a by 3 pi. Next, substitute n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. 2 square is 4. 4 into 4, 16. 1 minus 16, 15. Minus 2a by 15 by 5. Next, n is equal to minus 2. So, similarly, substitute remaining values of n. N is equal to plus or minus 3. N is equal to plus or minus 4. Like that up to infinity. And after that, draw the amplitude spectrum or magnitude spectrum. Discrete magnitude spectrum. X-axis is discrete values of n and y-axis is magnitude values of Fn. Okay. So function f of t, complex exponential Fourier series, function f of t, Fn is this one into e power j n omega naught t. In this example, omega naught is equal to 2. The spectrum is x-axis values of n. At n is equal to 0, what is the magnitude value? 2a by pi. So plus 2a by pi. So because of that, the impulse is drawn by upward direction. At n is equal to plus or minus 1, what is the value? Minus 2a by 3 pi. That is the negative value. So because of that, the impulse is represented by or drawn by downward direction. At n is equal to plus or minus 2, what is the value? Minus 2a by 15 pi. That is also negative value. Because of that, at n is equal to plus or minus 2, the impulse is indicated by downward direction. And similarly indicate remaining values of n. Plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, like that. Okay. Is it clear? This example, everyone?